What's up, guys? It is Casey. Happy Tuesday. It's 91 degrees in Las Vegas, so it's not that hot. We got this house that we'll be working on today at Mountain's Edge. 3 bedrooms, stairs, a loft, and living room. We do had some pet stains that we'll be taking care of that the previous owners did have in here, and then just a couple stains that we'll be trying to take off, like that one. Let's see in here. I know there are couple stains that I needed to mark in here, like that one. Like that one. But the carpet is polyester. It's, I mean, obviously it has a little bit of wear and tear, but we'll definitely get it to look a lot better than how it was. This is the stairs. A couple of pet stains in there. Couple right there, right there. For this type of job, I'll definitely need to use 2 gallons of pet treatment in here. So we cover the entire house. This is one of the bedrooms, first bedroom, second bedroom. This is the hallway, master bedroom, and we got the loft right over here. And then we also Alright, you guys, so we just got done vacuuming. Now we are treating all those pet stains. One thing when treating those pet stains, you really got to saturate the area so it gets into the padding, because when it is a urine, vomit, or other stuff that, you know, from the pets, you got to really ensure that it's taken care of. So one of the things is really making sure that it gets into the padding, so we can't be stingy when it comes down to this stuff. Did all those areas already, and then this is just the loft. All right, you guys, so we just treated all the pet stains. Yeah, we used about 2 gallons. All done. Now we are going to be using our enzyme treatment. I got a hydroforce in here, so this is a N line, so we get a lot more chemistry out of there, so the cleaning agents really get into the fibers. We got the truck mount, the beast going on outside. Get it hot, 210 degrees, you guys. So now we're going to be treating these areas, and then we'll be agitating it and extracting and making this carpet look a lot cleaner. All right, you guys, so we just got done putting down our chemistry. Now we are agitating using a counter rotating brush. What this does is it really gets into the fiber and it agitates it, so definitely gets it clean. Really scrub. All right, you guys, so we just got done using our CRB. We'll be extracting now. I got the truck mount set at 400 psi, 210 degrees. One of the things that I always do when I put down our cleaning agents is I let it dwell, so the chemistry really gets in there and it cleans it. It takes care of all the problems that we got going on in that carpet. I did one of the rooms already. Woo! You would have seen how it looked before. All done, you guys. Came out really good. Super clean. Till the next time.